everyone. Okay, I'm on this morning just to give you a tip about some of the ways you can use a pendulum. So here is one of them. Now, this morning I actually forgot to have my water filter in the house and I really wanted some water. So I poured some from the tap and it tasted horrible. And I then remembered I can actually clear the energy of water with my pendulum. So what I did, same glass of water, so it was a pint glass like this, poured the water into, and then I just said to my pendulum, please remove any toxins, anything non-beneficial that's in this water, anything that could be parasites or maybe lead or anything that's not going to improve my body and my cells and my mind and the way I feel. Okay, so I've let the pendulum do its work, so it's actually clearing all that from the water. Like I said, I did this earlier, and the taste of the water afterwards was unbelievable. Okay, so I'm letting it do its job. So once the pendulum stops going anti-clockwise, it's then cleared all of that. Okay, what I've done, like I say, because I did do it, I've actually asked it to show me the benefits of what it was like before I did any clearing. Okay, thank you. Right, now put in positive energy, make this water be really beneficial for me, make it taste like it's been through a can gun machine. It's the best water you could possibly do without any cost to yourself. That I'm going to really, really enjoy it. And it will also make me want to drink a lot more of it to keep my body healthy. So I'm also trying to up my water intake as well at the moment. So now it's putting in all those commands that I've just asked it to. You just make up your own commands. It's so easy to do. It's something I'd actually forgotten about. It's only because I'd actually left my filter outside in the bedroom. Thank you. Okay, so what I did then, when I looked at the water, it's completely clear and it tastes absolutely amazing. So give it a go and see how you get on. So it's just one of the tips, the many things you can do with a pendulum.